First question. Which act introduced open competition for recruitment to the civil services? Options are 1. Charter Act, 1853. 2. Charter Act, 1833. 3. Indian Councils Act, 1861. 4. Pitt's India Act, 1784. Right answer is 1. Charter Act, 1853. Next question. Which act ended the rule of the East India Company in India? Options are 1. Government of India Act, 1858. 2. Regulating Act, 1773. 3. Charter Act, 1813. 4. Indian Councils Act, 1861. Right answer is 1. Government of India Act, 1858. Next question. The Government of India Act, 1858 transferred power from. Options are 1. East India Company to the British Crown. 2. British Crown to East India Company. 3. Mughals to the British Crown. 4. East India Company to Parliament of India. Right answer is 1. East India Company to the British Crown. Next question. Which act introduced the portfolio system in India? Options are 1. Indian Councils Act, 1861. 2. Charter Act, 1853. 3. Government of India Act, 1858. 4. Indian Councils Act, 1909. Right answer is 1. Indian Councils Act, 1861. Next question. Which act provided for the nomination of Indians to the Viceroy's Legislative Council? Options are 1. Indian Councils Act, 1861. 2. Indian Councils Act, 1892. 3. Government of India Act, 1919. 4. Government of India Act, 1935. Right answer is 1. Indian Councils Act, 1861.